If I tell you, say I love you. My money, my body, now your own. Oh, baby. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And for today's video, I'm going to be doing a little mukbang as well as chit chat for a little bit since it's been a while, Yeah, but I'm here. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell another friend. Come over here and look at my beautiful face. Okay? A joke. But yes, tell them come over to Jamaica Vibes Kitchen and check out the channel. Okay? So, today I went to Del Taco. Okay? And so they have these new tacos. It's stuffed tacos. So it's quesadilla, the tortilla, cheese in the middle, put another tortilla on top to make a quesadilla, and then from there they turn it into a taco. So it looks like this. I mean, it's a little untidy. They didn't make it real nice, but that's what it looks like. Hold on. There you go. So this part right here is 2 tortillas with cheese, and then this one is grilled chicken. So there's lettuce, tomato, cheese, guacamole, and all that on the inside. I mean, they could make it a little bit better, but they don't really care. They're not the ones eating it, but we'll see. Hopefully it tastes better than it looks. Gotta sweep that up. But yeah, I bought the grilled chicken, the steak, and and there's a breaded chicken one. So I wanted to try a piece of all of them. So got them all. See how they are. See, this one's a little bit neater. Looks like a taco, right? And then the inside looks like that. That's the guacamole right there. Or pear for Jamaicans. Yeah. But, funny story. The first time I went to Del Taco was actually back in 2013. January 2013. I remember because I came back from my first appointment my first appointment I came back from, wait, no, it wasn't. So it was January 2013 because it was my first time in that new section I was in, and I got picked up to go on this temporary duty in Las Vegas. And we went there, and it's Vegas. So if you know anything about Vegas, people party a lot, okay? I was young in the military, so I was partying, and we all went out to drink. It was our last night there, so we all went out to drink. Drinking all night, came back 4 o'clock in the morning, and we were hungry. Everybody was drunk, so obviously no one could drive. So we decided we were gonna walk to a Del Taco that we saw down the road. And then when we got down there, it was closed except the drive-through. So I went to the drive-through. I was just walking through hoping I could get served. So this is how bad it was, how drunk I was. I got to the speaker. No one said anything. So I was like, you know what? When they come on the mic, it's because of the weight of the car. That's what someone told me. It's the weight of the car. So I started jumping. Y'all, I started jumping in front of the mic so I could create enough weight so the people come on the mic and talk to me. They did not, obviously, because I wasn't heavy enough. So I went around to the window and I knocked on the window, and the lady The lady came there. She wouldn't serve me. She wouldn't serve me at all. So we had to walk all the way back to the hotel and grab somebody that was there to drive us down to Del Taco, drive us to the drive-thru, and get us some food. Yeah. Yeah. Fun times. Yeah, I had some fun times. But let me go ahead and try this grilled chicken one. That's actually really good. Wow. That's really good. They surprised me. Because as bad as it looks, probably wouldn't think it tastes as good. It's legit. But, you know, one thing that's been weighing on my mind since yesterday, because a friend of mine, someone that he knows, attempted suicide. And it's been weighing on my mind because, you know, since Corona, the pandemic started, we've been on lockdown. We were on lockdown. Then the country opened back up somewhat. But now you still have people working from home, so we're still not back to normal yet. People are still not together like they used to be before Corona happened. But this is the thing. We still gotta make sure it shouldn't be out of sight, out of mind. We still gotta be checking on each other. Because you never know what people are going through. And because you're in East and the other person is in West, you just don't talk to them at all. I remember when I was at my old base, my supervisor, every day he reached out to me to make sure I was good. That's a good supervisor right there. And even if you're not let's set work aside. In our normal relationships, we need to check on family members, check on friends. I hate when people call me, oh, you couldn't call me, or stranger, you just shut up. Like, my thing is, the phone works both ways. Instead of thinking, oh, this person can't pick up the phone and message me or can't reach out to me, how about you pick up the phone and reach out to that person? Because you never know what people are going through. So reach out and talk to them. Don't sit there and think, oh, this person didn't reach out, so I'm not going to reach out either. They could be going through something. You never know. Reach out to people. You know what I'm saying? Don't just sit there thinking, if they don't reach out, I'm not going to reach out either. It doesn't make sense. Pick up the phone. I mean, we all texting these days. Pick up the phone, send a text message. Hey, how you doing? Just checking on you. It's been a little while. Something like that. Let them come back, respond to you, whatever's going on. But don't just sit there and assume that this person is ignoring you or don't want to talk to you or whatever the case may be. We are in a pandemic still. People are going through things. Not everybody can deal with sitting at home and not interacting with others. Some people get depressed from stuff like that. So reach out to people. Reach out to people, and especially my military members. You got to reach out to those that work with you, because I'm telling you, it's already rough that people are dealing with a lot of stuff. They're away from their families. A lot of us in the military, we may come from Jamaica for one, or we're in Florida, or we're from Georgia, but we're in Utah or somewhere where we're hours and hours away from family and literally by yourself and only your military family there with you. So reach out to people, make sure they're okay. You know what I'm saying? And look for signs. Look for signs, because a lot of the times when people are going through stuff, there are signs, so don't just ignore it. If someone's not themselves, if they used to show up to work at 7 o'clock and all of a sudden they're coming in at 7:30, 8 o'clock, then I mean, it might be a reason for you to start asking questions. Are you okay? Because I'm used to you coming to work at this time or that time. You never know. I'm just saying. Let me try this steak one and I'll tell y'all how it is. That's good. But, hmm, I think I might like the steak a little bit better than the chicken. Still good though. Than the grilled chicken, that is. Yeah. And then the last one is the breaded chicken. Didn't show y'all this one, but looks just about the same. Yeah. And they all have the guacamole on there somewhere. Let's see. So, trust me, they're all good. But there's just some that's better than others. I think I might like that steak taco a little bit better than the other ones. Either way, they're all good. Dinner is money well spent tonight. And let me see. Look at that. Not that bad. For the size of these things, for it to be under $10, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. I like it. But yeah, like I was saying, we gotta make sure we're checking up on each other, looking out for each other. Let me tell you, mental health is a big thing. And the thing is, not everybody's gonna deal with things the same way. And not everybody is gonna deal with things in the same way, because some people are stronger than others mentally, okay? And not everybody will be willing to reach out and ask for help. Sometimes you gotta ask. Sometimes you gotta get it out of people. Now, if there's some people that they're just not gonna open up, they might have to get professional help. It is what it is. But if it's somebody close to you and you see that they're not themselves, they're going through things, talk to them. You know what I'm saying? See what's going on with them. Reach out to people. But you'll never know if you don't take that initiative and reach out. And like I said before, stop calling people or texting people. Oh, you don't text nobody. You don't call nobody. Sometimes people got stuff going on. Life happens. Just reach out to people and talk to them. I hate to be the one to say, yo, you don't call nobody, you don't text nobody, and then next thing I know, a little bit from now, that person is gone, and I could have handled the situation a little bit different, but that's the route that I chose to take. Like, if somebody come to me and approach me like that, the first thing I'm gonna do is get defensive, because I'm gonna say, the phone works both ways. Why are you coming to me like that? And I'm probably not gonna have much of a conversation with you after that, because you made me upset. You know what I'm saying? But if you approach things a little bit differently, reach out to them. I'm just checking on you to see how you're doing. You know what I'm saying? It'll make a big difference. But you just never know what people are going through. So reach out to those you care about. Make sure they're okay. And one more thing. You know, a lot of us are on social media. If you see somebody post something on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whichever one it is, And they're saying stuff like, oh, I don't want to be here. Sometimes I just want to disappear, stuff like that. You know, if you like that post and I see that you like that post, I'm gonna conk you right in your forehead. I'm gonna tell you why I'm gonna conk you. Because if somebody says something like that, it's not the time to like the post. You might want to use your big head to think and then go talk to that person and ask them if they're okay. Don't like the post. Doesn't make any sense. Reach out to them and see what's going on. I remember way back when I was on Facebook, there was this guy on there. I do not know him from nowhere, but he wrote books, and that's how I started following him. And I remember one day I went on Facebook, and he kept talking about how much he didn't want to be. He was posting stuff like, I don't want to be alive anymore and stuff like that. And I reached out and I'm like, I saw your post on Facebook. Why are you talking like that? He said he's just going through a lot and he doesn't want to be here anymore. He's been writing his books, and it's like he's putting it out there, and it's not going anywhere. He was hoping people would be buying his books and stuff like that. It's not working out, so it's taking a toll on him. And I started talking to him, and I kept saying stuff like I said, I don't know him. But I was like, you can't say stuff like that because you got family out there. How are they gonna feel if they wake up tomorrow and find out you're gone? There are people out here that you are making an impact on their life. It might not be evident at first. Things take time. It might not be evident, but I told him, I started following you because of your book. He said he actually sent a copy of one he was writing where it was kind of like a daily bread type thing. So it was like day one, and he had a story and a Bible verse and stuff like that. And I read it. He sent the whole thing to me, and I read it, and it was really good. And I spoke to him, and he said, you know what? I'm happy you reached out to me and stuff like that, because it made him feel a little bit better. And we spoke for a while, and then the following day I saw that he was on there. He was still on Facebook, so I was happy, because that means whatever conversations we had some type of an impact. So whatever he was thinking, those thoughts were gone. But it's just one of those things. If you see stuff like that, don't just sit there and like the post and act like nothing happened. Talk to people. It's not going to take anything. You're not going to die if you reach out to somebody and just say, talk to me. I'm here. And if you're walking by somebody, you say good morning, and this person does not respond at all. Now, some people are rude, but you're walking by somebody, you say good morning, and this whole person vibe is just off. You stop them. Excuse me, I'm just trying to see if you're okay because I said good morning, you didn't respond. I heard somebody tell a story that there was one day he was walking by a lady, military person said this. He was walking by a lady. He said good morning, she didn't respond. So he stopped her and said, I'm just trying to find out what's going on because I said good morning, you didn't say anything, so I'm wondering if everything's okay. And then she just started unloading. She was going through a lot. So you never know. You never know. And here comes TJ. 3, 2. Okay, my counting was off, but either way. But I'm just saying, reach out to people. Make sure you're taking care of each other because you never know. Alright? I appreciate y'all watching the video. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, peace out.
Hey, TJ. Hi, Papa.
Wait.
Let's do it. I feel so good today. How do you feel, TJ?
Feel alright. Oh.
TJ burst the balloon, y'all. And that's why I sound like this.
Oh, no. Hold on, one more.
I feel so good right now.
TJ. Okay. You want to try? You try.
Okay.
You have to swallow the air. Okay, say something.
Hey, I'm TJ.
even get none of it. He didn't get none of the air. He didn't get none of it. Okay, that's it. There's no more. I wonder why. People do stop and stare. Can you stand the rain? Wait, TJ, come here. Did you stop to pray this morning? Bye-bye. If
I tell you, say I love you.
my money, my body, now your own. Oh, baby. Money fall on you. Banana fall on you. Paparazzi follow you. Cause I'm in love with you. Eh, bye-bye.
What you doing, TJ?
Mind you broke your body.
Listen, me know say me a 30 something, but that no mean nothing. Ah, that's the last of it.
Okay.
If I tell you, say I love you.
Okay. Okay.
Eh.